Here's Bob in all its glory. Listen to that idle. Just like a rotary. How they should idle. So this has had a full refurbishment. Apart from the engine, what we do is we inspect the engine, valve clearances, we do a leak down test, compression test. Check it out in detail. The discs has all been cleaned up, new bolts, calipers rebuilt, forks rebuilt, new tyres, powder coated rims, new bearings, new bearings, the Chinese ones obviously, master cylinder rebuilt, OEM parts. So this is what we do here at Dosmoto Garage, if you don't know already. We bring these things back to life because they're worth it, absolutely worth it. Stunning. And that's a respray in the tank, that's not a tank cover. Look at the detail on the sticker. You've got the correct period red shadow, thanks from Chris to Two Wheels Custom Paint. Absolute stunning bike. Keo reshock. Yeah, ready, slot detail, and off she goes.